We are following an NBC 26 storm alert. We have a high wind warning up for the entire viewing area for tonight into tomorrow morning. Winds gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour for many hours, with locally higher gusts up to around 70 miles per hour possible. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines, and driving will be difficult. The winds are really going to ramp up here over the next several hours. By the time we get to midnight, we will have winds gusting 50 to 60 miles per hour. Once again, some locally higher gusts are certainly possible. The winds will then continue to blow out of the west throughout the early morning hours, finally tapering off as we move into tomorrow afternoon. Now, the highest wind gust on record in the city of Green Bay occurred back in May of 1950. With a peak gust of 92 miles per hour. The highest wind gust for the month of December was on December 10th, 1911, when winds gusted up to 60 miles per hour. It is certainly possible we could break that record tonight. There's going to be very big waves out over Lake Michigan, but the winds are coming in from the south and then west, so the threat for flooding is going to be on the other side of the lake. Most of us are experiencing relatively calm conditions right now, but the winds are now starting to pick up from Oshkosh down to Fond du Lac. In Appleton, it is 52 degrees with southeast winds only at 7 miles per hour. In Green Bay, we're sitting at a record high right now of 54, but that temperature is going to be going up. We've got 60s in both Oshkosh and Fond du Lac. Those 60s will be working north as we head towards midnight. We broke the record earlier today. We will continue to break the record as we head deeper into the evening. Tomorrow's record high is 54. We will also break that record. The all-time record high for the month of December is 64, set back in 2001. All of this wild weather being produced by a strong area of low pressure that is strengthening rapidly as it moves north and east. Later on tonight, it'll have the same pressure as a Category 2 hurricane south and east of it this evening. There is a lot of severe weather. We've got tornado watches from central Wisconsin back down into Iowa, and then severe thunderstorm watches across Missouri. Already, we've had over 200 reports of severe weather. Most of the reports have been damaging winds with this squall line that is now moving through central Iowa. It is pushing east-northeast at around 60 to 80 miles per hour. The storms are expected to weaken as they move through Wisconsin, as they get closer to us, but there is still the threat for severe weather here in northeast Wisconsin. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center just issued a tornado watch here for Waushara, Marquette, and Green Lake County. I've been broadcasting weather in Wisconsin for over 25 years, and this is the first tornado watch I have ever seen during the month of December. We've got some scattered showers and thunderstorms out there right now. We'll watch that squall line approach from the west between about 9 and 11 o'clock. It does appear that it will be falling apart as it heads towards the Fox Valley, but within any showers and thunderstorms, the winds that are already going to be strong could be accelerated in some of those downdrafts, and that's when we could have winds gusting up to around 70 miles per hour. That activity will then push off towards the east with the cold front. Behind the cold front, temperatures will fall through the 30s. For Thursday afternoon, wind chills dropping down into the 20s. So fog, windy, and storms tonight. Temperatures climbing up to around 62 shortly before midnight, staying there for a little bit after midnight, then falling towards daybreak. Morning highs in the upper 30s, then falling through the lower and mid-30s by the afternoon. On Friday, sun and clouds and quiet. Seasonable temperatures, upper 20s to lower 30s. We'll have a chance for some light snow Saturday morning, maybe some light accumulations, sun and clouds on Sunday. And then winter officially arrives on Tuesday with high temperatures right around 30 degrees. We'll be right back.